get your breakfast burrito, smoked pulled pork.
My name is Bill Farnham. I'm the Executive Director of Casting for a Cure. That raises funds for critical research and family support programs for those that suffer Rett syndrome. Turnout's been amazing. The weather's been fantastic. We've sold out again this year, and we have 40 boats that go out onto the rivers within the Teton Valley and fish for 3 days and have a great time, and we're so thankful that Traeger has been a part of this.
Reverse seared tri-tip. Better working. Traeger.
We love their products, we love their philosophy, and we love the people behind them. So I think it's a really great match. It's unbelievable. I mean, I think the outdoor industry, it just shows how much the people care and the quality and character of folks within the industry. My wife and I, Beth, really feel like it's our duty to help these families understand and hope and understand that there's a lot of people that support them and love them. My partner Jim Copeland and I set out this thing, and we set a goal out there of raising $1 million in 10 years, and I think after this weekend we're going to be right on that number.
14.
I've been fishing since I was 5 years old. I've always had fishing in my blood, and people will come together around a common cause if they have something in common that they enjoy. And I think we've found that recipe.